So a fun fact about me and my career is I spent my formative years as a government analyst deployed on military operations, largely in deserts.
Why work in data science and AI? What impact do you have in your role at your organisation?
The impacts that I have and my team has when doing our role is we want to make better decisions for transport. So fundamentally that means improving transport for the user or growing and levelling up the economy or any of the other kind of strategic priorities that transport is designed to enable.
Personally, most of my work is horizon scanning and looking at generation after next technology and trying to bring it into the today, into the now, to try and improve the ability of our armed forces.
So I work in the Defence and Security Programme, which is quite nice because you can have quite a global impact, specifically with respect to the security of the nation. So we work on developing technologies and research that will try and keep people in the UK safe in the future.
What do you love most about working at your organisation?
The thing that I love most, working at DFT, Department of Transport, is you can work with, let's say, marine data, roads, rails, buses, even aviation data. So I think this just interests me too much.
The Institute has a great reputation and I get to work alongside a lot of highly skilled, intelligent and creative people. It also offers a great work-life balance, meaning that I get to put time and energy into things outside of just my work too.
What do you love most about your role?
So there are lots of things that I love about my role. I really like the independence we have in finding the big problems and being able to dedicate our resource to fixing them. I love the fact that the work that we do is real and impacts everyone every day. It's very much now and present, and you can see the impact of all of the work that we're doing on the decisions that are made.
My favorite thing about data science is that it allows me to challenge myself. No 2 days are the same, and I'm continuously learning and growing.
For me, I really like sort of studying and finding out new things and trying to understand them. My job is always doing that. I'm working on a problem that's quite tough and constantly brings up new issues, but then it also forces me to always be looking to new techniques, new ideas, new mathematical tools, new approaches. So I'm having to learn and study a lot and constantly, and I really like that part of the job.
What is something you are excited or inspired by at the moment?
One of the projects that I work on at the moment that is really exciting looks at election security. We've published work looking at the impact of AI on election security, and we'll soon be doing work on threats to the information environment associated with AI.
So something that I'm really excited about, the kind of confluence of data science and transport in the future, is this notion that all of the different modes of transport will one day be connected and be able to rapidly talk to each other, essentially giving a smoother journey for the travelling public. Everybody has an example of when their train is late and as a result then their bus is left without them. Whereas in my future world, that train is going to have notified the bus that it's a few minutes late and the bus is going to wait for those passengers to get off.
We've got so much more data in transport. So imagine having that data and, let's say, training models on that. It's going to have such a massive positive impact on people, and it's going to make, let's say, traveling a lot more easier, a lot more accessible, and it's going to make traveling a great experience.
I think something I find really inspiring is that there are many more fun, creative, and exciting ways to think about data rather than just how we sometimes do as this cold, numerical, and maybe sometimes even boring thing. So something I'm hoping there will be more of in the future is conversations about data and AI in different spheres, like art.